Got like a Asian breakfast here, and they'll make you up some food with eggs. We got toast and stuff.
What are the flavors of yogurt?
Yeah, so we just got a plate of unhealthy food for breakfast. Got a hash brown, bacon, meats, pastry, coffee. Looks good. So we came to the back of the ship, and we're here overlooking the ocean, enjoying the cool breeze and some breakfast. What are you having, hon?
I'm having champagne.
Yeah, and I got a Bloody Mary right there too. Cheers. This morning we're going to the world stage, and we're going to be listening to a historian. We're going to learn a little bit about history here on the Holland America.
Anyway, they've got a sense of humour because they thought it'd be fun to have a guy with a British accent come and talk about Boston Tea Party. Okay, we're going to talk about this man now, Captain Cook. Now, I expect a lot of you know about Captain. Anyway, and I hope when we get back to Boston, you won't throw me in the harbour with the tea. So thank you.
Gallery bar is right near the casino, and you just come down this little hallway and they got artwork and TVs. This also serves as the sports bar, but you can see they got all the artwork on display. They got some really nice seating. They got TVs so that we can watch some soccer games. And then Tammy's over here. We're enjoying a drink here at the gallery bar. Hi, hon.
Hi.
They call this the billboard bar, but we just call it the piano bar, which I think they're maybe switching the name to anyways. So they have a giant grand piano here. This is right next to the casino, as you can see. They got a bar over here to get some drinks, and we're here for some trivia. I think we're doing food trivia today.
Which nation boasts the most donut shops? The most donut shops per capita, and that is number 1. What meat complemented sweet potatoes and peas in the first TV dinner? Consider your point as a win. What 2 vegetables are combined to make sakutage?
Sweet potato.
Answer. Yeah. Wrong. Right now, calculate and let's see how many points you have for this lovely food trivia.
What did we get, hon?
13.
For lunch, we went to the buffet, and we got our favorites, salad and sushi. And we got a table here overlooking the ocean. So we're gonna have some lunch. Right near the atrium here, they got the ocean bar. So Tammy and I stopped, and we're having a couple drinks. Espresso martinis. Cheers, cutie. So they opened up the bow today, and we're going out to the front of the ship. Big step. They only open up the bow area of the ship for just a few hours at a time, and they opened it up, so we came out to take a look. Here's a pretty girl I found out here. Oh, hi, pretty girl. Where are you?
I'm at the bow of the ship.
Wow, you look so pretty out here.
I'm supposed to do the Titanic move.
This is St. John, and this is our next port that we're coming to on our second day of this cruise. There's one of the lighthouses at St. John's Harbour, and we are on the bow of the ship, and we are pulling into St. John. We're going to be getting off the ship pretty soon and walking around and having a good time. So we're getting off on the Zuiderdam, most people call it, but we call it the Zuiderdam. Where are we going, hon?
We're going to St. John's, OS, New Brunswick, Canada.
All right, we're going to have a good time.
Check out the Waterfront and the Container Village.
We're going to go and take a look at the Container Village. Right outside of the port, I mean, just right outside of where you come out of the ship, they got this container village, which is where they used old shipping containers to make some shops and eateries, and it's kind of fun to just come out and take a look at what they have available. Great place to get some souvenirs for your family. It's a fun thing to do. Let's go take a look at what they got. Here at the Waterfront Container Village in St. John, and we're continuing to check out what they got here. I think we're gonna buy something for our friends back home, or maybe for ourselves. There's our ship, and there is the container village with all of the little shops that we went to. And now we're just taking a walk along the waterfront, and this is the pathway that we're taking and checking out St. John, Canada.
It's beautiful out tonight.
Along the boardwalks here outside where the ship is docked, they have these signs about the great fire that took place here. A lot of the city was burnt down, but they rebuilt it, and they have these signs to kind of tell you the history of what happened. As we walked around the waterfront here, we came to a little mall called the Marketplace. They got this nice little fountain and area with a lot of shops, and they got this replica of the Marco Polo ship, which for a while was the fastest ship to make the journey from England to Australia. They got another replica of the Marco Polo here. Marco Polo is the ship they're very proud of because it was one of the fastest ships built at the time. And then they got these signs that tell you about other ships that come in and out of this port. And here's the view from this area at the end of the walk. It's a very pretty, nice walk. What'd you think of it, hun?
I liked it very much.
So we're going to the main dining room again tonight. And we have the anytime seating, so we can just show up whenever we want. We went out and walked around, and now we're coming to have some dinner tonight. So Tammy's right around the corner here, and we're waiting for our meal to have some food. There she is. Look at her looking so cute. There's our delicious bread and water. Wow, look at that. Thank you so much.
Yes, we're so thirsty.
Fresh squeezed water.
Yes.
So along with our basket of bread, we got our appetizers. Here's my spring roll. And what'd you get, hun?
I got Caesar salad with lots of anchovies because I love them.
And they brought the anchovies on the side there.
Yeah, because I think they gave me more.
Yeah.
Because I said I love them.
Yeah, you do love them. Wow, this looks incredible. So I got the beef with some leeks and bacon. This is gonna be awesome. What'd you get, hun?
I got shortbread stroganoff. So yum, it's gonna be great. And you've got noodles and sauce, and it's gonna be so good.
I love the food on the ship, man.
They have really good food and really good menus.
Yeah, it's amazing. All right, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Hun, what did we get for dessert?
We got a Nutella pie, so it looks like, you know, a tart, and there's like Nutella pudding and strawberry and meringue that's toasted, and looks like espresso or cocoa on the plate. It looks really nice.
So we're gonna go to the world stage and listen to Breton thunder.
Over an ocean and over. We'll keep the good times rolling. Wait and see, wait and see. Oh, wait and see. This song is about maybe just having a little too much fun in the bars. Am I right, bud?
This guy for sure. Look at those pants.
Made a purchase made after the bar. Yeah, it's gonna be a good cruise, but afterwards we're gonna need to go home for the rest. Excuse me, I'm not at my best. I've been gone for a month. I've been drunk since
So we're here at St. John at night. This is kind of cool. We just saw Breton thunder, and now we're hanging out watching the sun set in the distance. And Tammy's looking very pretty.
Thank you.
What a cutie pie.